Hi guys, I'm your host Suleiman Qureshi and you are on your own channel Excel to Excel. Long time we didn't discuss anything about PowerPoints, and while reflecting back I shared with you an opportunity to remove your background through a website. Now when we connect on the website we are uploading a data on the website, which means that our pictures are in a way public as well. Data security is one of the very important features that we consider while going online these days. So considering this, today I'm going to share with you exactly similar tip, but not online, while using your PowerPoint. So you can use your PowerPoint to remove backgrounds, removing multiple types of backgrounds from your photos, which you can use on PowerPoint, which you can use on your channels, which you can use even online the way you want by amending and adding them in. So we'll have a look at some of the examples today. I'm going into Microsoft PowerPoint, one of our favorite tools. I'll remove the ribbon to give us more space to play here. So first of all, you have to go to Insert and Insert Images. That's the first task we have to do. Let's assume that we have an image on our computer saved. Let's say I'll go to the pictures. One example is a chair, or I will take a chair as an example. I pull it in. Now the chair is here. Very beautiful. I love the feature of PowerPoint and Excel and even in the Word to give us ideas on the templates. It's really cool. Okay, so looking at this one, it's not a very good quality image, but we are trying to play the same thing that we discussed. So I will click onto the picture format in the ribbon, and on the very left hand side you will see background removal. Simple. Click on it. When you click on it, it will pick some parts of it and it will not pick some parts of it as well. For example, you can see on the screen magenta color. This represents all of the removal. Now if you want to remove something else, you can click on the mark areas to remove and you can manually add. For example, I want to remove this. You know, this background is really irritating me, so I will remove it. And I have let's say this little part as well. Okay, I've tried my level best. If you want to mark some areas to include, I will click here. You see this magenta, I don't want to be removed. Not the very best. So you can see it has covered a lot of areas that I really wanted to keep. I will remove something else as well. Not the very best. You have to practice a little bit, guys, in this. Here we go. I'll click on this. I'll click on this. Just taking it as an example, and I will also make sure that the legs are kept. Nothing is being removed here. Let's try it. Keep changes means it will apply the changes, and more or less we have an image now with the background removed. You can play with it, guys, and you can enjoy moving I will say objects in different formats. Now we have no background in this image and we can pull it in anywhere. We can put text around it and we can fetch it in another scenario. For example, you have an image and you want to pull in the picture over there, you can pitch it in there. Let's try one more example, and I will again go to the insert part. Click on the insert, and insert, you find picture. I go to the picture from this device. I will take my own example. Let's say one picture. This is an image. Now in this image you can see, again the idea is you can see that this image is quite better quality than the previous one, and we have a lot of objects behind this, so we need to play really hard with this. Let's see if we can do that again or not. Again, you have to be in the picture format. On the left hand side you see the remove background button, and there we go. It has automatically picked up image or person or people from this particular image. I can see that a lot of things must be included and removed, so I will play with this now. Areas must be removed. Mark areas to remove, and I can see this image, this picture is appearing as not magenta, which is a tragedy, so I need to include it here. And also some areas to keep. You can see that it is very close to my, I will say, hair. I mean, not many on my head, but still it is not representing a very good picture, so I have to click here to make sure that the head shape is picked up properly in PowerPoint. In this case, my ear is also added in now. I need to make sure now that some other areas that I highlighted here are appearing in the image. So I need to play around a little bit more with this, but more or less this is what I wanted. I want to remove this part as well. If I want to include my arms, I can click here and it will remove the magenta part from here. I can click here as well. You can see my and I will remove this part from here as well, just to give it a little better shape. Not 100%. If you really want to make some good editing, you need to spend a few minutes on this and you will get a good result. Not very bad. You can see still there are areas, so the more time you spend, the quality results you will get. And in this way you can have, for example, 2 images here. So as much as you will spend quality time on this each picture, you will get better results, guys. But the good thing is it's not online, so you can make these changes offline. You don't need internet and you don't need to worry about the security part as well. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this session. Try on your photos and do share your experiences in the comments part. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time and you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and you will be able to get more and more such videos for your productivity while working in Office tools, Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. I look forward to speaking to you again, guys. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye.